and today we are going to be doing some golf! Okay, so let's restart our intro. Hey guys, it's Rian and
Rain.
And today we are going to be doing
Rain.
It's not raining. We are going to be doing not rain, but it is going to be
Rain.
Remember last video we did a challenge and we were seeing of the challenges who lost. So we're going to be doing theirs next video. I'm sorry, but it's not going to be this video. It's going to be next video. So today we're going to be doing golf.
Rain.
Okay, so today we are going to be doing golf.
Rain.
Not rain. We are doing golf. Okay, we are doing golf.
Rain.
Golf.
Rain.
Golf.
Rain.
Oh, sakit na. Okay, so let's go ahead and just out.
Rain.
Let's get
Have a rain.
started. Alright guys, so here's the golf setup. We are going to be changing every round. So we did this. This is where the ball is going to be going. You can do whatever you want as long as you get it in that. You know where it is? It's there. That was just a practice round. And we're going to be counting how many moves he used. So we are actually going to be putting the camera. This is going to be hard, so I'm just gonna place the camera real quick. Go.
Guys, I don't know. I'm an expert at golf. See, explain this thing. That.
Don't trust him. He's gonna hit you. Okay, time to place the camera.
I'm flexing what we're not done.
Is this thing on? Oh, it is on. Okay, so here's the camera.
Flexing.
So, okay. You ruined the golf set. I don't care. So we're going to be doing it. First, he is going. Where's the ball?
There.
Golf. We're actually gonna move the camera, should be. Ball, can you stay here and let me check the camera footage? See if it's good. Oh, that's good. That's good. Dude.
Golf. I'm flexing up here.
Now, so we're gonna move it. Put it right here.
I'm gonna hit it. This doesn't seem hard. I can maybe score a hole in one. And then, oh, good.
Okay, so we will put the ball here. He always goes for fence, but he lives it all the time. Go. Ready, set, go. 1. Let me grab the camera. Oh. 1. Oh my God. 2. 3. So the first round is very easy. So he got 3. So it's my turn now. So let me just put you guys back here.
I hold the camera.
No. Okay, fine. Once I did my first. No! You're so far! You're a cheater. He's standing right behind the camera. Let's go here. What? You saw that. It was a hole in what? Wait, where'd he go? Okay, he took the ball. Hole in 1. Now let's go on to the second round. So we're just gonna rearrange this, you know? So I'm going to arrange it actually, and he's gonna go over there and practice. So we will change this setup to a different one. Did you turn on the... No! Boom, and now we did the setup. You can come in now. So,
You need to move it.
put the ball here. Okay? You cannot move these things. If you do move these things, then we gotta restart. Okay? Go. 1, move. 2, Move. 3. Move. Stop. 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Wait. I have a question. I forgot to tell you. Did you? Oh, you knocked this down. Just saying. If you knock this down, you gotta restart. Yes, I forgot to tell you the rules. Oh my god! I'm so sorry, guys.
Okay, let me start again.
No! We'll put this right here. You may start. Stop 1. Stop covering the view. 5, 6. 6 moves! But he messed up the court, so he's eliminated. Just kidding. Just kidding! He gets mad really easy.
Yeah, get mad easy. Your turn.
Stop grabbing the camera! Alright guys, so we're back from some technical difficulties. Can you hold the camera? Dun 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 dun. We will be the box people. Let's wait. Let's see how this goes.
So, I have an audience right there. You guys are my audience.
Box people. We're not audience. Box. 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 Sorry with my stick.
2, 3, 4. Come here, come up close.
I don't need to.
No.
I'm just gonna zoom in.
Fine.
Boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm saying. We won, guys. We won.
I'm stuck at golf.
So I won 2 rounds in a row. So I really think we should put the camera somewhere. Now let's get on to the next round. Okay, guys. So we've been thinking that we don't want to do any more golf.
We're gonna do.
Ouch!
Who can jump the tallest?
Oh yeah. Gonna see who can jump the furthest. And we don't know where to put you guys, so that's a bit of a problem. So we're thinking of putting you guys right here.
I want to keep that back so I can shoot myself.
Wait, we need it further. Okay, so let's start from you. You're going to jump and... Okay, okay. Once you reach this point, you have to jump and see how far you can jump. And I'm going to stand right here to get the good view. Are you ready? Get set, go! No, excuse me. Everyone saw it. You were jumping here.
Oh, fine, let me try.
Here. Not here. So I guess he will retry. Okay, go. Okay, so he landed here. So can we put it? No, no. Okay, you know what? Fine. Can you hold the camera? No, I'll hold the camera.
You don't know the camera? That's all I'm saying.
Halinda, move. Ready? Get that go. Guys, I won!
No, you didn't. I saw all of it.
No, they saw all of it. Just kidding, I cheated. Okay, what about you hold the camera with them? Oh, don't miss this.
3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go.
Cellphone ba, diba? Kaya, di ang wifi.
Oh, oops. Okay, guys, so I landed right here. Right side of me. But that's how we're going to end this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we bless you because there's the quarantine, this coronavirus. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye!